Assalamu alaikum. This is Kehkashan Saher, and today I'm going to show you how this cycle continues when the teacher assigns a homework to the students. ठीक है. So this is my screen, and this is the teacher's account over here. This is my account, and let's say I have created an assignment over here, and from here. So this is the student's account over here. This account has been added as student. So let's submit an assignment that we have. Oh, I think the language has changed. ठीक है. So okay, fine. So these are the assignments that have been added by the teacher. So I'm going to submit an assignment. Let's say this is the assignment tools used in Photoshop. I haven't done it, so I click on it. And I see details. I add a document over here. Preferably it should be a Word document. So I'm going to upload. Don't mind, I think I have changed the language, but you better know the words over here. So I am uploading a Word document. Let's say this is my document that I upload. So let's find out. Yes. So now this is the account that has been added as student. So now the teacher just view the submission, and this is how the teacher can add the corrections over here. So let's say this is my document, and I am a teacher and I want to add my comments over here. So I will click on this add a comment button. I click, and then let's say this is a mistake, so I highlight it, and I add a comment. Should be changed to that word, comment. Then keep highlighting and click on this plus icon, add your comment, click on comment, add on comment, click on comment, and comment. So finally, when you are done adding all the comments and you are done with the corrections, you can click on return, and now it is returned. Now the student gets it back. So now the task has been returned. I will just click on the document, the student will click on the document, and you will not see any comments over here until and unless you just open in a new window. Just open it in a new window, and you will see the comments added by the teacher. When you click on the comment, that text will be highlighted on which the comment has been added. So now you can add a reply over here to the teacher. Okay, teacher, I added this and that, and you can click on reply to the teacher, and teacher will get the replies as well. So for example, this is the case. So what is the comment for here? So all the corrections that the teacher has added are showing over here highlighted, and you can just see the comment, relevant comment, related comment by clicking on that highlighted text, and it will be showing you, and you can add a reply over here too, and you can make changes, and you can resolve this also. So there are many things that you can do with it. So this is how the cycle continues between the teacher and the student. So this is a suggestion for the teachers and for the students, that how you can this is how you can correct the document. This is how the students gets to know what are the points of improvement in the homework that he or she has done.